Leaders have all responded to the death of 23-year-old Irina Zarudska, who was brutally stabbed on the Charlotte light rail last month. Thanks for joining us for your news at 11 o'clock. I'm Siobhan Bryan. WBTV's Rachel Richardson joins us live from South End after speaking with riders and city leaders about safety on public transportation moving forward. Rachel.
That's right. As this crime has made national headlines, I spoke with people here in Charlotte about their expectations from local and state leaders when it comes to safety moving forward. I spoke with people along the East-West Boulevard station who share concerns about safety after this attack.
It's kind of crazy. Over the past 30 years, I actually haven't heard a story like that.
I mean, it's concerning just because that's something you don't really expect to happen around here.
I'm definitely questioning a bit, even now walking, I feel just eerie a bit.
Monday, President Trump shared on Truth Social that he'd seen the video of the stabbing, saying Irina was in part, quote, innocently riding the metro in Charlotte, North Carolina, where she was brutally ambushed. U.S. Attorney Russ Ferguson shared that his office is, quote, looking at every way the federal government can bring justice. With the National Guard being deployed in more major cities across the U.S., I asked how people would feel seeing troops here.
That seems excessive it's a brutal crime, but one murder doesn't justify a whole army.
So I'm not exactly sure if we need that much support here in Charlotte, but it does bring concern.
Monday night, Mayor Lyles responded, saying in part, quote, over the last several weeks, our community has worked to understand this. She also outlined new safety measures that the city and CAT system will roll out over the next few weeks, including increased patrols and expanding the authority of CATs to offer more security.
We need to enforce fear that folks are paying to be on the system themselves. And then I think we have to have a broader issue about public safety in general.
Charlotte Councilman Malcolm Graham says that the plan is a good step in the right direction and says county and state partners should be utilized. As the city grows, he believes city leaders need to continue doing the work to address needs.
And we also acknowledge that we're not a perfect community. No community throughout this country is perfect. We identify what our flaws are and we're actively working towards correcting them.
In her statement, Mayor Lyles shared that she's calling for a bipartisan solution to address repeat offenders who haven't been held accountable for their actions and who haven't gotten mental health treatment. In Charlotte, Rachel Richardson, WBTV, on your side.
Rachel, thank you. And we've been following this story since the very beginning. We're on your side, tracking every development in the investigation and the updates to come. You can find all of our reporting. Just go to WBTV.com.